Hey guys, this is Brett at Barbell Therapy. Today we're going to talk a little bit about APRE protocols and the modified approach we've taken to that. So APRE stands for Autoregulated Progressive Resistance Exercise. So this is something we've been doing with a lot of lifters and had great success, and something I kind of want to explain on how we use it here that's a little different from some other protocols out there that use the typical APRE. So what we're going to do with our lifter is this basically gives us a way to not use the traditional RPE training that's out there when someone just doesn't really understand it, or it's just a different way for them to program that auto-regulates itself based on the volumes and intensities we're going to use that kind of evens it out at the end of the day. So big thing we want to think when we use this here, we want to stick around an RPE 8 or so. So you want to be able to do this, and you want to stop at the point when you have about 2 reps left in the tank for your next set, since we do add some more sets than the traditional protocol. So for an example here, say my estimated 6 rep max was 100 kilograms, just for the sake of argument. What we're going to do is work up, and our first working set is going to be at 100 because that's what we estimate it to be for day 1. So, or whatever you think you can do for 6 reps, because at the end of the day, it's going to adjust itself long term. So, here's our loading chart we're going to use for that as well. So, on day 1, if I'm doing a 6 rep max protocol, what we're going to do is I'm going to take that, what I think I can do for 6 reps would be that 100 kilograms, and say I do that first set and I get 8. Well, now I'm going to look at my chart here, and I'm going to adjust based on that. So I'm going to take that 100 for 8, and because I got within 8 to 12, I'm going to adjust that weight, and I'm going to add, it was a hard 8, so I'm going to only put 3 kilos on the bar. So now I bump up, my second set is going to be 103 kilos, and I'm going to get 5 reps, and I stop there. Now because I got 5, I'm going to adjust that next set, but I'm going to stay. So because I got between 5 and 7, and that's within 1 of 6, we're going to stay there. Now by the last set, I'm getting tired. On that third set, I'm getting tired, and I only get 3. So now that's kind of out of our realm of where we want to be. So we're going to drop 3 kilograms, and we're going to get 5 reps on that last one. So now you say, okay, well that's great. What do I do next week? What we want to do is try to do this, and we're going to take the highest weight we got within our rep range, or our stay range, and we're going to start there the following week. So if I do the 6 rep max on day 1 of week 1, maybe on day 1 of week 2, I'm going to do this. So I'm going to start with 103, and I get 6. Okay? Now, because I got 6, I'm going to stay. I do it again, I get 5. I do it again, I only get 3. That last set I'm going to drop, and I get 8. This set here doesn't really matter because it was outside of the stay range. So next week, we're going to start with that 103 again, because that was the highest set we did within the prescribed range that we want to achieve the reps in. So basically, what we want to think about too is this is an RPE 8. Because we are doing successive sets back to back, I don't want this to be thought of as an all-out complete max. Things vary day by day, so one day you might be able to do a lot more than the next based on your previous training day, and all life stressors, work, sleep, nutrition, hydration, all that. So this is going to auto-regulate itself based on what we do with each set, and the volume and intensity will self-adjust. So thinking of that, we want to stay at an RPE 8 or so. We don't want to push set 1 to an all-out complete max, where we then have 0 to put in the tank here on reps or sets 2, 3, and 4. So if you guys have any questions about this, feel free to shoot me a message, Brett at Barbell Therapy And Performance.com. And let me know how it goes, and if you have any other questions regarding APR training, I'd love to answer your messages. Thanks for watching.